Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to customize text-to-speech on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll all the way down to the system section. Now just go to the languages and input, and here tap to the advanced options, and you'll see here the text-to-speech output section. Just tap there, and as can you see here, we can just change the language to the another one. So just you have to select the language, and I'll stay with the system language. And now we can here change the speech rate and the pitch. And now I'll just enable the media volume to here, and now we can check. Okay.
Example of speech synthesis in English.
So now we can change the speech rate. For example,
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
or also you can just select
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
the faster rate or the,
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
and if you want to just reset the list options, just tap here to reset, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.